Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So today we are going to learn vitamin symptoms and diseases. So previous class we have learned about the definition of vitamin, right? So here, vitamin A is also known as retinol, and the symptoms of the vitamin A is a poor vision. That is, the eyesight should be poor, and loss of night vision. We cannot find the clear vision during the night time. So, deficiency of vitamin A results in the formation of disease by the name night blindness. So, another vitamin we have vitamin B1. So, vitamin B1 is known as thiamine. It is commonly known as berry disorder containing vitamin. So berry disorder containing vitamin. And this vitamin deficiency results in paralysis, weak muscle disorders, and nervousness disorder. So we have the three different types of disorders which are commonly found in the deficiency of vitamin B1. So we have another vitamin by the name vitamin B2. So it is commonly known as riboflavin. So we found the deficiency of riboflavin by the name. See here we have a coenzyme, namely coenzyme. Actually, the vitamin B2 is known as a riboflavin. So the deficiency of this riboflavin results in the formation of psoriasis, what we call them as lip get, chiosis. We can found an upper lower lip between the lower lip. We found the chiosis. So here, what is the main function of riboflavin means? And it is acts like a coenzyme, and it is responsible for the production of energy in the body, and even it is responsible for the breakdown of fats and steroids. So that is a major function. They will ask in entrance point of view, the very disease is caused by which vitamin? That is a thiamine B1, right? So even B2, what is the deficiency we can find, right? Yes. So vitamin B3 is known as a niacin, and this niacin is responsible to cause the diseases by the name pellagra. So dermatitis, allergy, or inflammation on the skin. So allergic reactions can be occurred due to that one, right? And even it will causes a diarrhea. So that is the deficiency of vitamin B3. Then we have vitamin B5, and this vitamin B5 is known as a pantothenic acid, and due to the deficiency of vitamin B5 results in the formation of fatigue. We feel weakness suddenly, and we form the depression, some sort of insomnia. That means we cannot sleep properly. That means we feel uncomfort sleeping because of the deficiency of which vitamin? Vitamin B5 by the name pantothenic acid. So that is inadaptive growth. That means inadaptive growth is a symptom we found by the deficiency of vitamin B5. So we have another vitamin by the name vitamin B6, pyridoxine. And due to this pyridoxine deficiency, we found we causes such type of symptoms by the name causes peripheral neuropathy. The neuropathic disorders we found weakened that nerve become fatigued, which will come out from our skin, and we found that there is a deficiency of which vitamin means vitamin B6. So we have another important vitamin by the name vitamin B7, and this vitamin B7 is also known as biotin, and it is commonly known as vitamin H. So what is the deficiency of such type of vitamin means? Depression, hair loss, muscle pain, etc. We feel depression because of lack of vitamin B7, muscle pain because lack of vitamin B7, and there is a conversion. That means maximum amount of the glucose is going to be carbohydrates are going to be converted into fats by which vitamin means vitamin
B7.
So carbohydrates are there, right? Glucose, C6Ho, CHO, carboxylic group, and this whatever the glucose is there, it is going to be converted into fats. Now, then another vitamin we have vitamin B9, which is commonly known as folic acid. And this folic acid deficiency results in the formation of megaloblastic anemia. That means, RBC cells are responsible for oxygen carrier. So if the megablasto, that means RBC cell size will be increases because of lack of folic acid. Due to the lackage of folic acid, RBC cell size should be increased, and such condition we found megablastic anemia. So there is a abnormal in carrying of oxygen results in the formation of megablastic anemia. So because of the deficiency of folic acid, the folic acid is commonly known as vitamin
B9.
Right. Then another vitamins are there. So here we have the vitamin C. Yesterday when we learned, the scientific name of vitamin C is known as ascorbic acid. So it helpful in bleeding gums. Due to the heat inside the body, bleed will be occurrence in some cases. So even wound take longer time to heal. So we found if such symptoms when we found, we feel that the vitamin deficiency is there. Which vitamin deficiency?
Vitamin C.
Vitamin C. If vitamin C is provided by any medicated, for example, when you drink citrus, fruits, juices, right? So we found the rich amount of vitamins, even in vegetables like chili pepper, in tomato, we found more amount of vitamin, right? So Phyllanthus imblicum officinalis, amla we call, right? In such fruits also we found more enrichment of vitamin C. So if ascorbic acid is more, there is no bleeding in our body, there is no wound formation to take a longer period of time to cure. So that is one we call them as, right? If bleeding will occur and wounds are taking the long period of time to heal, so such type of diseases we call them as scurvy. So scurvy is a disease which commonly found in the deficiency of which vitamin?
Vitamin C.
Right. So we have another vitamin by the name vitamin D. So it is also known as the scientific name calciferol. So bone, if there is a deficiency of vitamin D, results in the formation of bone becomes smooth and bent, and it is easy to be broke also. So such type of symptoms we can found, we call them as the rickets. So to overcome the ricketic problem, we want to take over vitamin D vitamins regularly. Okay. So we have another important vitamins. Among the entrance point of view, vitamin K and vitamin E are going to be plays an important role in your entrance examination point of view. You write in any competitive examination point of view, vitamins maximum 1 or 2 questions will be framed, right? Now vitamin K. Vitamin K is also known as coagulatory vitamin. If vitamin K is not there in your body, it results in the formation of blood clot cannot be occurrence, bone metabolism cannot be occur in proper condition, even cardiovascular system cannot be function properly. So vitamin K, it is scientifically known as phylloquinone. If it is required in a proper amount, then we call them as vitamin K helpful in coagulatory system, so it is known as anticoagulatory vitamin. Are you getting the concept?
Yes,
right now. So another important, we have the vitamin E. Vitamin E is also known as anti-sterolytic vitamin. It is also known as alpha tocopherol. Scientific name of vitamin E is known as alpha tocopherol. So we found in genetic system, rare genetic cases, rare genetic condition, if there is the vitamin E deficiency is there, we found here is ataxia. So we can find such type of diseases because of the deficiency of vitamin E. So that is the one condition. Then why it is known as anti-sterolytic vitamin? Means in cases women's miscarriages will infrequently we can found, and premature birth can be occur in the newborn baby. Intrauterine growth restriction will be occur. These three important. Nowadays, in any competitive examination, we found these three terminology, namely which vitamin is responsible to overcome the problem of miscarriage, overcome the problem of premature birth, overcome the problem of intrauterine growth restriction. Which vitamin?
Vitamin E.
E. So these are the few vitamins, their symptoms and diseases. So again, go through this one. First of all, you can know the scientific name of vitamins and what are the symptoms and disorders which are caused by the different vitamins.
Okay, sir.
So this is today's class on the vitamin.